Welcome back to AppWiz. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off joins in Roblox so you can stop people from joining you in a Roblox experience. The best part is, this works on both mobile and computer. First, open up the Roblox application. On the bottom right-hand side, tap on More. Now scroll down and click on Settings. From here, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions. Next, select Visibility and Private Servers. Under Visibility, you'll see an option called Show Current Experience. This is where you can control who is able to join you in a Roblox game. If you want to completely stop people from joining you, just change this setting to No One. Once that's done, nobody will be able to join your current experience unless you allow them again in the future. And that's it. Very simple and quick. Now you have full control over who can join your Roblox games. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AppWiz, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you.